Receptionist. Good morning, ABC Dental Office. How may I help you? Patient. Hello, I have a terrible toothache and I need to see a dentist, please. Receptionist. I'm sorry to hear that. Let me check our schedule. Can I have your name, please? Patient. Sure, my name is Sarah Brown. Receptionist. Thank you, Miss Brown. When would you like to come in? Patient. As soon as possible, please. The pain is quite bad. Receptionist. I understand. How about today at 3 p.m.? We have an opening then. Patient. Yes, that works for me. Thank you. Receptionist. Great. I'll book you in for 3 p.m. today with Dr. Smith. Can I have a contact number to confirm your appointment? Patient. Sure. My phone number is 780-456-7890. Receptionist. Thank you, Miss Brown. We'll see you at 3 p.m. Please remember to bring any insurance information you have. Patient. Okay, thank you. Goodbye. Receptionist. Goodbye, Miss Brown. Take care.